Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step simplification of this math problem by using the Bodmas rule which dictates the correct order of operation. First we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for or we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. Now according to this Bodmas sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step says innermost bracket first, solve the parentheses. In this expression there is a parenthesis 80 plus 40 and it will become 120. According to this step, always simplify from the inside out starting with the small parenthesis, and now the current expression becomes square bracket 140 minus curly braces 25% of 120 curly braces of square bracket of multiply by 2 power 3. Move to the next step of operations. So of operator basically 35% of 120. Now calculate it, 35% multiply by 120. It becomes 35 upon 100 and multiply by 120, and after cutting the zeros we'll get 42 as a result. According to this step, O stands for of, which acts as a high priority multiplication inside the curly braces. And now the current expression becomes, which is square bracket 140 minus 40. So now the current expression become, and move to the next step, complete the outer brackets, which is subtraction inside the square brackets. Now 140 minus 42 and it becomes 98. According to this step, complete all the operations inside the final bracket layer, which is the square, before multiplying outwards. Now the current expression becomes 98 multiply by 2 power cube. Move to the next step, evaluate exponents and orders. Now solve the power 2 power cube, which is 2 multiply by 2 becomes 8. According to this step, order exponents must be calculated before the final multiplication, and now the current expression becomes 98 multiplied by 8. Move to the next step, multiplication. Now we multiply the digits and we can use Vedic math in it. 8 8s are 64 and now 8 9s are 72. And after multiplying ones place, you will write it down as it is. 6 will be added to 2 and it will become 78. Now 784 is the final result. According to this expression, the final simplified value of this expression by using the Bodmas sequence is 784, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.